Living in a studio doesn't mean sacrificing culinary ambition. The key to a truly functional apartment kitchen isn't about size. It's about smart design, strategic organization, and embracing verticality. We'll explore 5 expert strategies to turn your compact cooking corner into a powerhouse of efficiency, ensuring your kitchen integrates seamlessly without overwhelming your living space. Number 1. Embracing the Ascent, mastering vertical storage. When floor space disappears, look up. Verticality is the ultimate cheat code for studio kitchens. Install shelves all the way to the ceiling for items you use less frequently, and utilize magnetic strips for knives and spice jars near the backsplash. Consider using stylish pegboards or slender rail systems to hang frequently used utensils, freeing up precious drawer space immediately and keeping necessary tools within easy reach. Number 2. Appliance hybrids, the efficiency equation. In a small space, every appliance must pull double duty. Prioritize hybrid tools like the toaster oven/air fryer combo or a compact high-powered induction cooktop that can be stored away in a drawer when not in use. Look for integrated dishwasher drawers instead of bulky standard units, or opt for a wheeled convertible island cart that offers preparation space, a hidden waste bin, and a dining service, all in one compact piece. Number 3. Defining zones, workflow in miniature. Even the smallest kitchens benefit from defined zones: prep, cook, clean, store. Since the traditional kitchen triangle often fails in a straight-line studio setup, focus instead on linear flow. Ensure your most used items are within arm's reach of your primary preparation surface. For maximum efficiency, integrate your garbage and recycling station directly beneath the chopping zone, minimizing steps and maximizing productivity during meal prep. Number 4. The art of the camouflage, seamless integration. Since your kitchen is likely visible from your bed or sofa, aesthetics matter greatly. Embrace the hidden kitchen concept using clean lines, unified matte color palettes, and streamlined cabinet fronts without handles. Utilize deep drawers instead of lower cabinets, making awkward corner spaces fully accessible. Most importantly, ruthlessly minimize surface clutter by relying heavily on and eliminating all unnecessary visual noise. Number 5. Illumination tricks, making small feel grand. Lighting is arguably the most underestimated tool for making a small kitchen feel expansive and integrated. Avoid bulky overhead fixtures. Instead, opt for focused task lighting like thin LED strips installed underneath upper cabinets. Ambient lighting, such as warm string lights or strategically placed pendants over a small counter, can define the kitchen area while softening its presence, making the entire studio feel cohesive, welcoming, and intentionally designed.